One of the worst moments in content creation? Seeing "can't open file" when you click play on your footage. Whether you're recording cinematic B-roll in log format, color-rich HDR sequences, or raw content for post-grade flexibility, file corruption can wipe it all out in seconds. This can happen due to a sudden power loss, a faulty SD card, a dropped camera, or even transferring files between drives. Trust me, it's a nightmare. But here's the good news. You can fix it. And today I'll show you how. Using Wondershare Repairit, a pro-level video repair tool that works like magic. Start by going to the official Wondershare Repairit website and downloading the latest version. After installation, on the main interface, you'll find multiple repair and enhancement options. These include video repair, corrupted file repair, photo repair, document repair, archive file repair, engineering file repair, and audio repair. There's also an AI media enhancer to sharpen blurry photos, enhance facial details, add color to black and white images, and improve image quality overall. First, click on the video repair button. It supports all major camera brands such as Sony, Canon, and Nikon, and repairs corrupted videos in all popular formats. Whether the damage is due to device failures, storage issues, transfer errors, or other problems, this tool has you covered. You can also enable professional mode to repair corrupted RAW or log videos, handle RSVDAT and MDT files, and produce video files more compatible with professional editing workflows. Once ready, click on the Start button. You'll see a list of unrepaired videos and their repaired results. Now connect your external SSD or HDD and locate the corrupted file. Let's say you have a broken HDR video file from a recent project. Just drag and drop it into Repairit. The software will display your video's details like resolution, duration, and format. Click the Repair button to begin the standard repair process. If the video still doesn't play properly, use the Advanced Repair mode. Here, you upload a sample video file shot using the same device and settings. Repairit will analyze that sample and use it to rebuild the broken file with professional precision. It restores original color depth, clarity, texture, and frame rate, without converting or downgrading the file. It even supports professional encoding formats like DNxHD, DNxHR, XFAVC, and XFHEVC. Once Repairit finishes the process, preview the video directly in the app to make sure it looks right. Then just click Save and choose your destination folder. Your video remains in its original codec, so there's no quality loss. Now let's test it in a real editing environment. I'm importing the repaired video into Filmora, but it works perfectly in other pro editors like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro. Playback is smooth, colors are accurate, and there's no glitching or crashing. And here's something extra. Repairit also supports photo repair. If you've ever dealt with damaged JPEGs that won't open or display weird colors, this tool can restore them too. It repairs corrupted images and brings them back to their original clarity, resolution, and sharpness. Perfect for photographers and content creators working with raw sequences or DSLR stills. It doesn't stop there. Repairit also fixes broken documents. That means corrupted Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF files can be fully restored, complete with formatting, tables, fonts, and embedded media. Whether it's a client brief, a pitch deck, or a creative storyboard, Repairit makes sure your important files are never lost. So whether you're a filmmaker, editor, photographer, or just someone who captured a once-in-a-lifetime moment, Wondershare Repairit has you covered. From corrupted HDR, RAW, log, and MP4 videos to damaged photos and documents, it brings your files back with no compromise. Wondershare Repairit. Deliver flawless content. Video repair for professionals.